Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Fiesta wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your car is parked safely with the ignition off. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and damaging your windshield. It's a simple process that anyone can do at home. Now let's remove the old wiper blades. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade down and off the hook. It might require a little wiggle. Always hold onto the wiper arm securely. You don't want it to accidentally spring back and crack your windshield. Place a towel on the glass for extra protection if you're worried. Installing the new blades is just as easy. Take your new wiper blade and slide it onto the hook of the wiper arm. You should hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's fastened properly. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Test them with some washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. After installation, always test your new wipers with washer fluid to ensure they clear the windshield perfectly. For optimal performance and longevity, regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth to remove dirt and grime. This simple maintenance step can significantly extend their lifespan. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.